How to download and install DeepSeek AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. So every one of you must have heard about the new AI in town, and it's called DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek AI is now competing with OpenAI, that is your ChatGPT, and Gemini, that is of Google, and it's kind of winning. So it really is a big deal right now. So let's see how you can download it. First, open up your App Store or Google Play Store, and after you open it up, simply search for DeepSeek. After you search for DeepSeek, you'll find DeepSeek AI Assistant. Simply tap on it, and this is what it looks like. Now, this is the app's logo, and this is what the interface will look like. So simply tap on install and download it. And after you do that, you can open it up, and yeah, you can use DeepSeek AI after you download and install it, and it's really easy. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.